Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a special haul video. These are some pens that I ordered on Amazon. The brush pens I had ordered, or the Pentel brush pens I had ordered previously, but I want to kind of do like a swatch and a pen test and a haul all in one. So let's go ahead and get started. These are just some dual tip markers by Avery. There's a fine tip and a chisel tip on the end, the other end. And then we have the Pentel brush up pens. So I am practicing my hand lettering, and I want to use colored pens more in my planner spreads, so stay tuned for that. And then I got these, I don't know how to say it, 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗞𝗏 color fine liner pens. And the big thing I got are these Shuttle Art dual tip brush pens. So let's start with this one, because this one has 72 colors, nope, 96 colors, and it comes with a pen holder in this little tiny box. So I don't know if I can put this together on camera or not. It also comes with this cute adult coloring book. I didn't even know it came with this, so let's look at this first. And y'all know I have coloring pages in my shop now, so these are cute little pages. A lot of those overly complicated pages that we were talking about in my setup video. Oh, a color test page. Look at there. Okay, so we're going to use this. Let's pull these out. All the pages are perforated, so we're going to pull these out. I'm going to put this back in here just because, maybe not. Never mind. All right, let's just see what this entails. This might be a disaster waiting to happen. I don't know. Oh, this isn't going to be bad at all. Okay, so I'm assuming that we're going to just put these in here. This is kind of cool. Ow, I pinched my finger. Don't do that. Okay, so it's a cute little pen holder. I like it, and it actually kind of spins on my desk. All right, so let's just, while we're looking at the colors, why don't we just set them up? I really don't think there's going to be room for 96 colors in here. Let's see. So we got black. Let's do our, why don't we do like a Roy G. Biv type setup situation? Oh gosh. Let me organize these real quick, and then I'll be back. I know y'all don't want to see me organize a bunch of pens. Okay, so I kind of organized them, kind of not. I put, like, this is the way that I'll probably look at it. So I put the colors that I don't think I'm really going to use back here on the back. I chose my 3 favorite colors, so I'm going to just swatch these. But you can see, I don't think this is intended to actually spin. It's not. It's just, it's easy to move around. So I like that, that I can kind of just spin it around and choose my color. But let's just swatch these 3. I think this is a perfect color combination. These are my 3 favorite colors of all time. So we're just going to swatch these 3 colors. They're kind of squeaky. And see what we got. And so they probably have to kind of be worn in a little bit. I don't know how long they'll last. They had pretty good reviews. So I'm excited to use these in my planner spreads. Yeah, very squeaky. You hear that? Let me give you a close-up. All right, so that is those. Now let's do I want to show you these real quick. So these are the dual tip markers. Now I bought these because they were chisel tip, and I thought they would be okay for me to use. I don't know that I'll use these much, but let me just show you how they, it depends, of course, whenever you use a chisel tip, how you hold your chisel as to what you actually get as far as the way the pen writes. So if you use it this way, it goes this way. If you use it up and down, sorry, it goes this way. So just a lot of different varieties of ways you can use this, and I may use them. Who knows? This is the fine tip. So yeah, not my favorite out of the haul, but they'll work. I'm sure I can put them to good use. All right, now let's do the Fineliners. So this was just an off-brand of Fineliners. I'm going to go ahead and take them all out of the box because I'm actually going to use this. I've had this in my closet for probably a good year. I used to have all of my pens. You can see there's some pen marks. I used to have all of my pens sitting on my desk, but I didn't like it. I'm going to try it again since I got all these colorful pens now. So I drug it back out of the closet. And I also have this thing that I ordered on Temu. So I think I'm going to incorporate some pens into that thing as well, just to kind of organize my pens. So this is your set of 24. So let's see. Let me just kind of pick my favorite shades here. And let's see what we can come up with. So let's do purple. And I love the way that Fineliners write. So we'll see if these... Oh yeah. I love the way these write. They just write so cute. Just a little thin tip. I don't know. I love it. Yeah, I like that. Let me hold it up a little bit closer so maybe you can see. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these in my little pen holder here. Throw this in the garbage. And then let's do this Pentel. I think these are called sign pens. Yeah, brush touch sign pens. So let's just grab my 3 favorite colors again and test these out. So now these you can use as brush pens. I've got to learn how to steady my hand more. I'm not very good at keeping a steady hand. So actually I need teal. This is more green. Yeah, it's a little bit like my edges are a little bit jagged. But that's just something that I'm going to have to work towards. I'll get there. I put that in the wrong spot, but it's okay. And then we'll do pink. So yeah, got to practice some more. But these pens are perfect for kind of small lettering versus like these brush pens here would be for super large lettering. See the difference? So yeah. Okay, so that is my pen haul. Y'all let me know your favorite brush tip pens and markers. Let me know if there's any others that I should purchase or try out, and I'll share with you guys. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.